All right, y'all. So check it out. We up here. Where we at?
Pleasanton, Texas.
Pleasanton, Texas. I got my man. What's your name?
Austin.
Austin and
Corey.
Corey. So I'm up here at Tractor Supply, buying stuff, doing stuff that I probably shouldn't be doing, but spending money. And I look through the parking lot. I see not one but two cool Jeeps in the same spot. So I'm gonna ask my man here about both of these. And from what I understand, they got three. Corey, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my man Corey here, from what I understand, got a sweet XJ. But I'm gonna ask him about these two because we're looking at these two and see what's going on. Hold on. So, man, tell me about this Gladiator. What year is it?
It's a 2021.
2021. And I noticed the Texas Trail Edition, right?
Yes, sir. Based on the Overland trim. There's a rear mechanical locker, factory 32s, black leather, pretty
Okay.
much Overland stuff.
Okay. Now I noticed those are the stock wheels, but are those the tires that came with it, or you?
They're stock.
Okay.
Yeah, stock tires.
All right. They didn't give me MTs on mine. I think I got robbed, man. Okay. It's clean. I like it. Stock 373 gears, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Stock lift. Now you plan on lifting it?
We don't know yet. At this point, not yet. But we just I'll leave it like it is for now. Do some airbags on it. That's about it for now.
Help with the sag. It's clean. I like it, man. I like the blue. So on to the next one. So this on this trailer. What about this one?
This one's 03 Sport 35s, 456s, and lunchbox lockers front and rear.
Oh, lunchbox lockers.
Tire carrier bumpers, rock sliders. And it's a 4-inch lift.
4-inch.
And that's a Snijagger 1-ton steering kit.
Yeah, I was looking at that. I was just about to ask you. Beat me to it. See the disconnects on there. That'll make me think. See, I get nervous, man, when I see a Jeep on the trailer, man. I think y'all going somewhere. Now you tell me you're not. Then I get disappointed because I probably was gonna follow you. No, I can't do that, man. My wife will kill me. Then she'd be wondering where I'm at. But this is nice, man. I like it. What size tires you got on here?
35s.
35s?
15.
I don't know why yours look bigger than mine, but I think it's because on that 15-inch rim.
And a lot more rubber.
Yeah.
Balloony.
That's the only disadvantage we got to the Gladiators, man. We can't put those 15-inch rims on there and get bigger tires. Got to stick with 17s, but okay. All right. So that was my friends, my new friends, Corey, Austin, sweet-looking Gladiator. Sweet-looking Gladiator, sweet-looking Jacob. That's what I'm talking about. And they got an XJ too, so they got about 3 or 4. Wait a minute, you got a CJ too, right?
Yeah, CJ,
Yeah.
YJ, and XJ.
They got a bunch of Jeeps. We're just gonna say that. They got a bunch. They got a yard full of stuff. So, nice Jeeps. Hopefully we'll see them on the trail one day. Y'all take it easy.